Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to give Robux to friends. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Then, tap on More from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on Create to go to the creation page. Next, scroll down and tap on any experience you have. Then tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Here, tap on Passes to create a game pass. Now, tap on Enable Now if it asks for permission. Then tap on Proceed and allow it to continue. After that, enable it as requested. Now, enter a name like Share some Robux in the name field. Then type a description of your choice. Next, tap on Create Pass to finish creating it. Now scroll down and you will see that the pass has been created. Go back and tap on Experiences to check your games. Then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Now, tap on View on Roblox to open your profile in the browser. Here, check and tap on the play button on your game. When inside the game, tap on the Roblox icon from the top left corner. Then, tap on Leave to exit the game. Tap on Leave again to confirm. Finally, go back and search for Donate Robux in the search bar and play one of the donation games to give Robux to your friend. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.